What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another Saturday vlog with our members. Today we're just going to be hanging out, right?
Yeah.
We're going to be doing some stuff around the house. We have some storms coming later this afternoon. Supposedly. And they're going to be severe. We're not 100% sure if it's going to be...
I'm hoping it's not going to turn out to be like what
Tuesday was, because you guys saw the video on Tuesday.
The idiot.
Yes, the idiot.
I mean, I kind of was too. I was driving home.
Yeah. But we're going to hang out for the day. You guys come with us, see what we do. So let's go, right? Well, guys, we're just about to head into the Dollar Tree here. We're gonna go check out a few things we need to pick up at the Dollar Tree, some laundry detergent and stuff like that. But what else are we gonna do today?
I don't know.
We don't know. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree, and you guys are gonna see what we find. Right. So see you guys inside. What you looking for?
Right now, I am just looking.
Lots of stuff in the store, guys. The party supply over there. Looks like guys just looking at dog dishes apparently. But we'll just keep on looking, right?
Yeah. Well, we need new ones.
Yeah.
So that number one Willow will eat slower, maybe.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
If she has a smaller dish, maybe she won't eat as much.
Yep.
And I don't want to use that plastic one for water anymore.
Yeah. We got some laundry detergents, a bucket, and guys, I found some bunch of drinks here. We got Jamaican drinks. We got Ting over here. We got Italian drinks down below. That's all Italian drinks. We got Mexican drinks here. I also found over here. We got bubble tea, like clearly Canadian, zero sugar. We got prime drinks, but we got like non-alcoholic mocktails, all at the dollar store. So we're gonna go and Rheanna tell you guys where she is.
A few moments later.
Well, guys, we're finished at the dollar store, picking up a few things. I found a candy in there, but you have to go to Patreon to see what it is. Right? Honestly, I posted a video over on Patreon and you have to go see what it is. But anyways, we're gonna, I don't know what we're doing next.
I have no idea.
We have to go check what we're doing, yeah. But it's these sort of cloud up here in Massnap. We are in a severe thunderstorm watch as we speak.
Yeah, I just really hope it doesn't turn into
Tuesday,
because this is exactly how it was on Tuesday.
Yeah. So, well, let's go and see what else we can get ourselves in trouble with, right?
Sure.
Alrighty. Talk to you guys in a few minutes.
I'm scared.
Well, guys, we're back home. As you can see, the dog's right here. Ugh. There's Rheanna. So yeah, we just got home from doing our stuff around the house, around town. We're not sure if we're gonna park in the garage at all.
If it looks like it's gonna get bad, then I'll park in the garage.
Yeah.
If not, it's just gonna stay where it is.
Yep. So we're just gonna chill out for a little bit and then do what we're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I am just going downstairs to our laundry room because we just bought some laundry detergent. We're just gonna put the laundry right there for now. Gonna go upstairs for a little bit, chill out. As you can see, this is from our all this mess here was from our flood we had a couple of weeks ago. Still working on it. Yeah, we're gonna be chilling for a little bit, and and you guys are gonna hang out with us for the rest of the day. We might have a storm. Well, if we do, it'll be in this video. So stay tuned.
3 hours later.
Well, guys, about 5:30 in the evening. We're in the process of making some poutine for supper. Rheanna decided to do some poutine for supper instead of what we were going to do earlier.
We'll do that tomorrow.
What?
We'll do that one tomorrow.
Okay. We're in the process of watching the, I guess the weather thing on the internet.
Yep, one of the Canadian
One
ones.
of the Canadian, I'll show you guys this here. One of the Insta weather, I guess they're doing like a live stream right now, so we're watching that. Because we're possibly getting some storms this evening.
I don't think we are from what I looked at, but
We'll see.
I mean, what do I know?
Yep.
I'm not a meteorologist.
There you got it right, the meteorologist.
Yeah, I have to.
The dog even agreed with you.
Yep.
But we're gonna do that, and we'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. There we go. I had to get the Get him move, little.
Come here, Pipes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Just some more.
Piper, come.
Thank you.
Come here.
That's you. No. We don't want that to happen.
No, we don't need a puppy nose burn.
Yes. Gotta flip this around. Put those fries. Okay. Rheanna's just doing the what's it called?
Gravy?
The gravy.
Maybe try not getting the gloves in it.
There you go. Done. Put this back in. Okay, put that back in. What are we putting at? Okay. Hey! Hey, Ziggy! Set a timer for 7.5 minutes.
Yep. 7.5 minute timer is rolling.
Thank you.
No problem.
And Rheanna's just doing the gravy. You smile. So yeah, we're just doing the process of doing the gravy, and we're waiting for the fries. I don't think I'll try to cheat to it.
I don't know how much we have.
Go look. That's how much cheese.
For me, that would be enough, but I don't know how you are with your cheese.
Well, I should add some cheese then. So, we're gonna start some cheese and we'll talk together in a few minutes there. What do you think?
No, you gotta move.
I'm not one always in the way.
Yeah, you are.
So, sorry about that. Do we go outside? Let's go outside. There you go. Go outside. So, we're in the process of waiting. Well, do you want to go outside too? So, we're in the process of getting our fries. We had to put it on broil because apparently
You weren't really getting crispy.
yeah, we weren't getting crispy at all. But we'll have to keep an eye on that because she's got it on what, medium heat or something with it.
Yeah, medium rare.
Yeah, so dog wants in, so give me a second. Come on. So we're gonna enjoy this poutine, and then probably just chill for us today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut this video off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming in and watching the video for our members. And and we'll see you guys on our next video, right?
Yeah.
All right, see you guys.